Hello and welcome to your gardening week. It's really warm at the moment, isn't it? It's more like summer than the end of spring, but that means that the plants are really enjoying it, and hopefully you're enjoying some of the flowers that are burgeoning as a result of all that warmth. The beans are underway, the courgettes are sprouting, and even the gooseberries are starting to swell quickly now, with plenty of rain this week that's helped power growth really quickly. As far as the coming week goes, well, it looks like more of the same really. Sunshine and showers at times, high temperatures probably topping out at around 26, 28 in some parts of the country, but plenty of heavy showers that will keep things moistened and help to power all that growth. As far as the jobs that I need to be getting on with, there are a few things that have got a little bit out of hand while I've been away for a few days. I need to get on and tie in my clematis that are growing up through my roses. They've made yards of growth and they just need holding into place so that they grow up their supports. I'm also going to take some softwood cuttings from my penstemon plants. Now this is a variety called sour grapes and I really like its plummy coloured flowers, but I've only got one plant and I'd like it in more parts of the garden. So this is the ideal time to take some softwood cuttings that will root quickly, and who knows, I may even get some flowers this summer. So I'm taking some really nice strong shoots from this parent plant, cutting them really down to the base so that the plant will reshoot from low down, and then I've got enough material to make cuttings from. Next I'm going to take the soft tips from my cuttings that I've taken, remove these because they're not fully expanded and they'll steal energy from the cutting before it gets a chance to root. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the cutting, and as I said before, I'm only going to take these one node in length, so just cut below the next pair of leaves down, strip off the leaves, and then, might sound a bit drastic, but reduce the remaining pair of leaves by half, cutting through the middle of the leaf each side so that that reduces the leaf area that the plant can lose water from. Then fill a pot with a mixture of multi-purpose compost and some perlite, probably about 3 parts compost to 1 part perlite. Loosely fill the pot, strike off level, tap 3 times on a tabletop just to consolidate the compost, and then simply insert the cuttings in the corners of that flower pot. This is the perfect place for them to root. Water them well and then put them indoors on a windowsill in a nice light position. Make sure that you keep them moist and they'll root in about 4 to 6 weeks time. And last for this week, with Chelsea over, it's time to do the Chelsea chop. This involves cutting down late season perennials, things that flower from around August onwards, cutting them back by about half their height so that you get good strong shoots coming from lower on the plant, and that strength will mean that the plants will be able to support themselves better. You can also be fairly canny and take out alternate shoots so that some of the ones that remain on the plant will flower first, and then the subsequent shoots will go on to flower 3 or 4 weeks later. So those are the reminders of things I'm going to be doing in my garden this week. If you need more ideas of what to do in yours, then visit my website davidhurrian.com. And meantime, if you've liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.